Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we have our hard-working digger buddies ready for a big construction adventure.
Whoa! Did a dragon just turn our construction friends into shadows? That's super spooky! What?
Oh no! Look at that sad little kitty. Don't worry, little one. We're going to fix this. Shazam! A magical blue light is bringing our machines back to life. Vroom! They're waking up! It's puzzle time! Can you spot the missing piece for our hard-working orange excavator? Point right at it!
Maybe it's a giant slice of pizza? No? Okay, I'm just kidding. Keep looking, everyone.
Look, our kitty friend is helping us. She's such a clever little helper. Click that piece into place. She's thinking really hard now. Does that square part fit the yellow excavator? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, snap! We did it! The machines are complete and looking shiny and new. Great teamwork, everyone! You're all master builders! Welcome to the Ultimate Construction Site Challenge, little builders. Are you ready to match these mighty machines?
Vroom, vroom! Check out that giant wrecking ball and the super strong dump truck. Let's get to work!
1,
Time
go!
for our shadow puzzle. Can you spot which silhouette belongs to our hardworking excavator?
I need an idea!
I think it goes here. Wait, is that a giant crab? No way, that's not a construction vehicle.
Oh, silly. Mr. Krabs is definitely not a dump truck. Let's try again, friends. Look closely at the shapes.
Whoa, look at that excavator go! Crash! It's tearing down that wall like
Excavator
magic.
wrecking
So
ball.
powerful.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Back to the puzzle. We need to fit our forklift and the excavator into their matching spots. Ready? Go!
Hey, why is Squidward popping up? Get out of the way! We're trying to match this forklift!
What?
Look at that giant magnet!
Excavator magnet.
It picks up heavy metal just like a
Excavator
superhero.
magnet.
How many pieces can it lift? Almost there. Let's slide that big yellow dump truck into its shadow. 3, 2, 1, click! See how the forklift zooms around the warehouse? It carries heavy boxes, so we don't have to. You did it! Perfect match. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You amazing puzzle masters.
Look at that massive haul truck in the quarry. It's the biggest truck I've ever seen. What a way to finish our day.
You were all fantastic today. Keep building, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next puzzle adventure. Bye for now. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Can you spot the sneaky robbers in their van? Let's go!
Oh no, they crashed! Did the police car catch a butterfly instead? Oops, silly me.
Boom! That was a big collision. But look, our kind rescue truck is here to save the day. Time for a checkup. Point your finger at the screen to help the brave police car into the garage. Wrench, hammer, bolt! Let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3. Can you find the missing wheel? Look at him shine! Our police buddy is looking brand new thanks to your help, super detectives.
Yay!
Is he ready for duty? Yes, he is. Vroom, vroom, off he goes to keep the city safe.
Confetti time! You solved the puzzle perfectly. Give yourselves a big high five. You're all legends. See you next time. Vroom, vroom. Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge.
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye! Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click!
Oh yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3!
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine.
Yes! Sitting in metal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check
course.
out those fireworks! You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such a great trick.
And both of these guys are lucky to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice. To come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip, you've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. Man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Welcome back, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're visiting the construction site to meet some heavy-duty friends. Look at that big, yellow, hardworking digger and his crane truck pal, ready to start the day.
Whoa, did you see that? The bulldozer just turned into a rainbow shadow. Boom! Wait, why is the rock so surprised? Did he see the magic too?
Click-clack! These robotic arms are busy putting our digger friend back together again. Can you count the robotic arms with me? 1, 2, they move so fast!
I think the cabin goes next. Is it going to fit perfectly? Let's watch.
Zing! The final scan is complete. Our digger is looking brand new and super strong. He's back at the site. Great job helping us rebuild. You guys are construction masters. Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're meeting our super construction crew on the job.
Hey! Vroom, vroom! Hello! Look at our mighty digger and his heavy-duty friends ready to roll. Whoa! That was a giant kaboom of dust. Are you okay, Trucks?
Everything is all mixed up. Can you spot the shadows of our hard-working digger, road roller, and dump truck? Point your finger at the screen and help us find where these shapes belong.
Is the dump truck supposed to go there? No, that looks like a silly mistake.
Keep trying, friends. Let's match the right shape to the right vehicle. You can do it. Click. Perfect. The digger fits right into his shadow. Great matching.
You found them all. 3 cheers for our construction team. Hip, hip, hooray!
Look, a giant surprise visitor. It's a Spinosaurus coming to join the party. The cats are dancing to celebrate our win. You did a fantastic job, Puzzle Master.
High fives all around. See ya next for more.
Welcome, everyone. It's time for our super-powered excavation puzzle party. Look at these mighty construction friends. Which one is your favorite?
I bet the big magnet one is the strongest. Watch me try to lift a mountain.
Actually, he is for metal, not mountains. Kids, can you help us find the right shadow for our hard-working excavator? Point your finger at the screen. Does the crane fit in this spot? Click.
Whoa, look at that amphibious digger go. It's swimming like a fish.
Excavator
Splash!
amphibious.
That's right.
Excavator
It uses its
amphibious.
special tracks to travel through water and mud. Amazing, right? Time for round 2. Can you spot where the magnet excavator hides? 3, 2, 1.
Found it! You guys are puzzle masters. Vroom vroom, it slides right into place.
Excavator pile driver.
Thump, thump, thump.
Excavator
That pile driver is super strong, pushing deep into the ground. We did it! Every piece is home. Let's clap our hands together for a job well done!
Yay! You are all construction geniuses. Beep beep!
Excavator magnet. Excavator magnet.
Check out the crane lifting those heavy pipes. Up, up, and away!
Excavator crane. Excavator
And the magnet
crane.
is clearing the scrap metal. It's like magic. Zoom!
You were incredible today. Thanks for building with us. See you next time for more fun. Hello, puzzle explorers. Look at this magical cloud cube spinning in the sky.
Whoa! Did you see that spark? Our construction friends are getting a super-powered upgrade.
Oh no, the hardworking digger and his pals lost their cabins. Can you help our puppy friends find the right pieces?
Go! I think the blue one fits the dump truck. Wait, no. Maybe it's the green one?
Nope.
Not quite silly. Let's listen to the beat. Tap your fingers on the screen when the rhythm hits the mark. Click! That's it! You matched the cabin perfectly. Vroom vroom. The mighty truck is looking sharp now.
Look at them go! The heroic fire truck is zooming through the city. Keep that rhythm going, team!
Everyone shout, beep, beep, as our construction crew clears the road. You guys are doing amazing!
Boom! Fireworks for our finished vehicles. You solved every single puzzle like total pros.
We had so much fun building with you. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Meet our hard-working digger, a mighty dump truck, and the speedy cement mixer. Vroom vroom, let's start the engine.
Oh no, why is that face so sad? Did he lose his favorite toy? Don't worry, we're here to help.
Look at these empty shadows on the road. Can you help me find where our pink backhoe belongs? Point your finger at the screen.
I think the blue dump truck goes there. Nope. No, wait, that's definitely the yellow cement mixer. Am I right?
Not quite so. That shadow is for our hard-working digger. Let's slide it in together. Click. Perfect fit. Oh no! Now, where does the mighty dump truck go? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Slide it into the last spot. mechanical friends are back on the road. Beep, beep. Hooray!
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle test kids. Smash the subscribe button if you had fun. See you in the next big adventure.
Welcome, Puzzle Pals. Our hard-working digger is on a mission to move this big pile of dirt. Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! Did our truck just get a tummy ache? Everything is going bananas.
Whoa, look at that red siren. It's time for a major repair rescue, everyone. Let's rebuild our mighty truck friend. Can you spot where the sturdy frame goes? Point to the screen.
Go! I bet the wheels go on the roof. Am I right? No? Okay, they go on the bottom. Got it.
Great job spotting the cabin. Now our mighty truck has a cozy place for the driver. Click! It fits! Grab your imaginary tools! Let's tighten those bolts together. Turn your hand like this. Turn, turn, turn!
He's using a super fast drill. Almost ready for the road again.
Hooray! The mighty truck is back and better than ever! You guys are master builders. High five, everyone! Hi, Puzzle Pals. Our brave, heroic fire truck is feeling a bit blue today. Look, he's even crying. Oh
Whoa, Zap! A magical beam just hit him. Watch out!
no! He's transformed into a blue truck now, but he still seems sad. Let's cheer him up with some puzzle fun.
Another spark. Zoe, everything is changing so fast.
The truck has disappeared. Can you spot the silhouette on our board? It's waiting for its missing piece. Let's find the perfect fit. Does this red piece belong here? Give it a try, kids. Click. That doesn't look quite right. Should we try the green one instead? Maybe it's a match. Good guess, but not yet. Keep looking closely at the shapes. Point your finger to the one that fits.
Is it the yellow piece? It's so tricky. Let's count to 3 and try again. 1, 2, 3.
You're doing great. Look at all these colors. Let's see if this blue piece is the final key to the puzzle. Pop! It fits perfectly! Vroom vroom! Look at him glow with happiness! You solved it, team! Amazing job, Puzzle Masters! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Vroom vroom! Let's race into a world of fun on this wooden track.
Wow, look at that dancing. It's party time. Everyone clap your hands to the beat.
Wait a minute, did that truck just grow a cat face? That's a magical mystery, kids!
Oh no, a spooky silhouette. Is it a monster? No, it's a super strong forklift coming to help.
Time to build! Can you help me drag the yellow base into the right spot? 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go! I think the heavy lifting fork goes on the front. Does it fit? Click, perfect.
You're doing amazing! Let's slide that last piece into place to finish our hard-working forklift friend.
Huh?
Ding! It's all connected and looking sharp. Our forklift is ready to move some heavy boxes now.
Look at it glow! Hooray! We did it! You are truly master puzzle builders. Thanks for playing along with us today. Welcome, puzzle explorers! Can you wave hello to our bear and piglet friends at the park?
Vroom vroom! Look at that yellow road roller go, smoothing out the bumpy path.
He is working so hard to make the ground perfectly flat. Great job, Mr. Roller.
Look, a giant yellow crane truck has arrived. Is he going to fly that building into the sky?
Exactly. The crane is lifting the structure high up. Hold your breath, everyone. 3, 2, 1, lift! He's lowering it so carefully. Let's whisper down, down, down while he places the walls.
I think he's building a beautiful blue house. Do you see the windows appearing?
Clang! The roof is on. Give yourselves a big round of applause for that perfect construction.
Beep, beep! Here comes the mighty flatbed truck, carrying even more tiny houses to the neighborhood.
He has 2 houses on his back. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. The red crane is back to finish the job. He's placing the final pieces just right. Ta-da! The neighborhood is complete. You did a fantastic job helping us build today, Super Builders.
That was amazing! High five, everyone. See you at our next big puzzle adventure.
Puzzle explorers, are you ready to match some super cool construction machines today?
Ooh, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant spoon for my cereal?
Haha, not quite. That's our hardworking digger and a mighty concrete mixer. Let's get them ready. Quick, everyone, count with me. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's snap these parts into place. Click! That mixing drum fits perfectly. Vroom vroom, our mixer is ready to roll.
I knew it. The green check mark means we did it perfectly. Right, team?
Yay! Confetti time! You all did such an amazing job matching those tricky pieces today.
Concrete mixer truck.
Look at that! Our amphibious excavator is splashing through the mud. It's built to swim and dig.
Amphibious.
You guys are absolute puzzle pros. See you next time for more big machine adventures. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big forest adventure. Are you ready to solve some mysteries?
Whoa, look at those giant mountains. I bet there are secret treasures hidden behind those trees.
Oh no, a fallen tree is blocking the path. Don't worry, our hard-working digger is here to save the day.
Vroom vroom. The road is clear now. Can you wave goodbye to the minivan and the black SUV as they zoom by?
Look at that magnetic arm go. Our digger friend is lifting the gray minivan with ease. So strong. Incredible work. You helped us clear the whole road today, team. You are all puzzle-solving superstars. See you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big construction site. Who's ready to build some amazing machines?
Oh look, everything is missing its top. I bet the bulldozer lost its hat. Vroom, vroom.
Let's be detectives. We need to match these cabin parts to our hardworking friends. Can you point to the crane?
Whoopsie! That piece is way too big for our little mixer friend. Try again, everyone.
Dance time. Look at our character go. Move your shoulders and wiggle your fingers to the beat, kids. Click. That fits perfectly. Our hardworking digger is finally ready to scoop up some dirt.
Nope.
Great job!
Beep, beep! Here comes our gentle bus friend cruising down the road. Where do you think they are going?
We're on a roll now. Let's find the last piece for our mighty truck. Focus! Team focus! Look at those wheels spin. Our green truck and yellow truck are having so much fun on their journey. We did it! Every vehicle is complete and looking shiny. You all are master builders. Give yourselves a huge high five.